arts and crafts. Mrs. Jones was working on arts and crafts with her kids at school. The children wanted to make something. They were very excited. Mrs. Jones had a lot of paper and supplies. The children wondered what they were going to make. Mrs. Jones announced they were going to make animal masks. She put down the paper. Everyone began coloring and cutting. The fun began. Some made bunny masks. Some made lion masks. All of them had fun. When they were done, they all put their masks on. After having a lot of fun, the kids cleaned up their mess. It was a very fun day for everyone.